Nolbert's Auto Service. In Riverside, you have plenty of auto repair options, but few can measure up to the high standards and impeccable quality of Nolbert's Auto Service. For all your auto needs. Hiring only the best mechanics in town, we've assembled an impressive team for all of our services: diagnostics, inspections, maintenance, oil changes, tires and wheels, engine repairs, electrical systems, and windshield repair and replacement. For more information, please visit our website, www.nolbertsautoservice.com. Or contact us through phone 951-689-5000. You can visit our office, 5942 Republic Street, Riverside, California 92504. Nolbert's Auto Service.